This is a commercially available trackball that can be used as a mouse alternative for accessing a computer. For this demonstration, we are going to be using a trackball by Kensington. It is known as the Expert Mouse. Trackballs are stationary devices, meaning the person does not have to move the device. The person only needs to focus their attention moving the ball. Simply moving this ball will cause the computer arrow and/or cursor to move around the screen, similar to that as if you were using a regular mouse. The size of this particular ball is slightly smaller than a cue ball. To move this ball, the person can use the palm of their hand, the heel of their hand, the back of their hand, or maybe even the forearm, which will cause the arrow or cursor to move around the screen. We need to install supportive software called Trackball Works, as seen later in this video, for customizing the trackball to do the following. If the person is left-handed, we can assign the left click button function to this button area here. We can assign the right click function to this particular button area. The same right click function as on a regular mouse. We could also assign drag lock to this particular button area. Drag lock will allow for highlighting of text within a word processor, or maybe moving or arranging icons on the person's computer desktop. Drag lock is extremely helpful for people who have difficulty gripping or grasping the mouse, holding the single click button down and at the same time moving the mouse in order to highlight text and or move arrange objects on the computer screen. Over here we could also assign double click to this particular button area if a person has difficulty double clicking, such as launching a program icon on the desktop of the computer or other tasks require accurate double clicking of a mouse button. Any of these buttons or all of these buttons can be reassigned unique mouse functions using Kensington software called Trackball Works, as seen later in this video. I recommend going to Kensington's website and downloading the latest software for your trackball. This can be found at www.kensington.com. Once you're on their website, look for support over here, and then once you click on support, you should be able to click on software over here, which brings you to the software download page. To the left here, Microsoft Windows, this particular driver, Kensington Trackball Works software for Windows, is ideal for the Windows 7 operating system. Down here, Apple Macintosh, Kensington Trackball Works software for the Mac, is ideal for the Macintosh computer. After the Trackball Works software has been installed, you will need to open the software to further customize the features for the user to use the trackball to their fullest potential. In the lower right hand corner down here is on the taskbar, you will notice an icon resembling a flying saucer. If I double click on this software icon, this window appears. I can now customize the buttons to the user's needs. For this particular button in the upper left hand corner, I can change it from a single click to to a double click. The upper right hand button, I can change it from a single click to a drag or drag lock. And for the lower right hand corner button, I can now change it to a right click feature similar to that of a regular mouse. Go down, click apply, and now the trackball will do the features assigned to each of those buttons. One last feature up here, the pointer. This allows for adjusting pointer speed here from slow to fast depending on the person's gross motor skills. You can adjust for slower acceleration of this pointer moving across the screen, or down here, pointer acceleration, how fast or how quickly the pointer will move when the person touches the ball on the trackball.